In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music on canva.com. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. You need to click on this icon elements. So I click here for use a video. Okay, it's already added. So I want to add music. So just click on upload. Then again click on upload file. Then select your music. So I select this audio, then drag and drop. So here are the lots of options. Just click on right button. Here is adjust, audio effect, beat, sync, volume, etc option available on here. You can do step by step. So this is a method you can add music on canva.com. So if you want to more videos type up, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have like and subscribe the channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.